I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add sound effects. So you're going to go to iMovie and select select movie, and then select the video. I'm going to do this not that one. This tutorial, one of the tutorials I did, which is this one. So I'm going to click, so that's the tutorial video, and then this is one that I didn't edit yet. So you're going to want to go to the part where you want to add your sound effect, which I need to add a sound effect where I say dot whenever it's really loud. So basically what you want to do is you want to click split, and split it where you want the sound effect. This 3-dot thingy. This 3-dot thingy. So I said dot whenever it's really loud. And you want to go, you want to add a text. If you want to add a text, I'm just going to add a text because that's what I did in the video. And if you're adding a text and you want to add it in a certain spot, you want to go to this one, which is called, I don't know what it's called. It's just at the bottom. And put whatever text you want to put, and put any text you want. Then you're going to click the little plus on the clip. So there's all these clips, but when you're on the clip that you want the sound effect, click that little plus. Then click video. Then you're going to go to recently added videos, and you're going to get the sound effect that you're using, and you want to clip it. Click the 3 dots, click audio only, and then we'll add 3 dots. And drag the audio. 3 dots. Then you want to go to
and that's
videos,
how you do that.
The first thing.
So sorry, my YouTube videos have been very short lately. I'm going to do for the next video a video star tutorial on how to make a fan edit, but